Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a sushi blind bag. First, gather your essential crafting supplies. You'll need various colors of felt, a good fabric glue, and sharp scissors. Don't forget small decorative elements like beads or googly eyes and some soft stuffing. Having a template for your sushi shapes and the bag will make the process much smoother. Let's get started. Now, let's craft the adorable sushi pieces that will go inside your blind bag. Begin by cutting black felt into small rectangles for the nori and white felt for the rice base. Then, add vibrant strips of felt in orange, green, or pink to represent different fish or avocado fillings. Carefully glue these layers together, creating realistic miniature sushi rolls. Aim for about 3 to 5 unique pieces to fill your bag. Next, we'll construct the blind bag itself. Cut 2 pieces of felt, each measuring about 4 by 6 inches, for the front and back of your bag. Before gluing, decorate one side with a fun sushi-themed design or a mystery sushi label. Apply a thin line of fabric glue along 3 edges, leaving the top edge completely open. Carefully press the 2 felt pieces together, ensuring a strong seal along the glued sides. Finally, it's time to complete your sushi blind bag. Gently place all your adorable handmade sushi pieces inside the felt bag. Once they are nestled comfortably, apply a final line of fabric glue along the remaining open top edge and press it closed. For an extra touch, you can attach a small ribbon or string to the top corner, creating a convenient hanging loop. Congratulations! Your unique sushi blind bag is now ready for its big reveal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.